guys, and welcome back to my channel and my laundry room. I'm so excited. Today we are starting our laundry room makeover series. Whether you're coming to my channel for the first time or you're returning, welcome. Here on this channel we do DIYs, furniture makeovers, room makeovers, design. So let's get into today's project. Today's project, laundry room. We are going to do three things. We are going to prep and paint the walls. We're going to deconstruct this hanging thing here. And then we are going to try to do something with all the cords hanging down. So let's just get into it. Come on. Okay guys, step one, we have to prep the walls for paint. In order to do prepping the walls for paint, we have to move the washer and dryer out from the walls, and we got to get the vacuum cleaner back there and clean it. Pretty messy. All right, next, let's work on clearing all this out. And like 1, 2, 3. Just like that. All the clothes are gone. Not really. Next, let's remove this. Next up, painting. All right, everyone, we have it all cleaned. On this concrete wall, we are going to keep it concrete, but we're going to paint it, and we're going to paint it white. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I painted it over there in my workshop white. So we're just going to continue on with the white on this wall and this wall. But this wall over here, that's going to be something fun. So let's start painting. I'm just using Gideon Essentials interior paint. And as you can tell, the color is the white. That's the same color that I have over here on my basement. So we're just gonna get on to painting. And guys, when I paint, I always do my cutting in first. I don't know why. That's just what I do. I find that it works for me. So we're gonna cut in first. Sit back and enjoy. looks so much nicer. Don't you think? So much better. So guys, what do you think? After our first day of doing some demo and painting and fixing the cords and cleaning, I am wore out. And that's it for this video, but stay tuned for the next video because then we are going to be doing some fun things in this room. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video, and thank you to our wonderful family that we are growing. And again, if you're not a part of our family, go ahead and press that subscribe button and go ahead and give a little love tap to that like button, and of course for giggles if you want the bell notification to know the next time I post. But guys, I hope you have a wonderful day whatever you're doing, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now.